I've been waiting months for this moment. My first ever dispatch offer request. And at first glance, I thought this might be like another GoShare. Super easy for high pay, $37+. Okay, doable on the delivery count, but the more I looked at this order, the more I started questioning whether taking my very first dispatch was actually a good idea. Dispatch, one of those last mile delivery platforms in the gig economy. I've basically tried them all. But Dispatch might be good because it could give you routes, longer assignments, so you're not guessing offer after offer. I mean, again, after my first GoShare moving assignment, I was pretty excited to compare to that. So a little bit after midnight, I updated the Dispatch driver app. I went online and I didn't have to wait long. They sent me this. And instantly I had a lot of questions. Is it first come, first serve? Should I accept this quickly? There's a ton of info. How much does it pay? Let's go over this together. When you're getting requests, basically on any gig app, we clearly, number one, want it to pay enough. So where's the pay in this whole mess here? And again, I don't know how fast I have to accept this. Number two, where's it going? Am I being paid enough for using my personal vehicle? Because that's what you're doing here. So what's the pay per mile on this thing? Obviously, what am I delivering? When am I delivering? So let's just start top down. This was scheduled for, well, I guess at this point, today, August 6th. And we can see it's requesting a car. Now, here's the starting and ending destination. It simply says, okay, Pittsburgh, PA to McKeesport, PA, $37.66. But do you see that? For 25.5 miles. Okay, not the best payout per mile at all, but I'm thinking, all right, maybe I want to test Dispatch for you, right? So put yourself in the driver's seat. You get this offer, you get $37. Look at the rest. Good morning. Wake up early. The pickup window is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. All right, first thing in the morning, drop off 7:50 a.m. to 9:05 a.m. respectively. It doesn't stop there though. Get up early for not the best dollars per mile. It is 12 items for a cumulative total weight of over 100 pounds to 249 pounds. I mean, 12 items, if I'm doing Spark, Flex, Shipt, Instacart, grocery stuff, a lot of the times, I guess that would in total add up to over 100 pounds. So, okay, let's keep it in the running. I don't see a countdown to accept this thing, but I did find if I tap on this, it does expand, makes it a little bit easier, and breaks down pretty much what you're picking up here. Does this influence your decision at all? I see the address, pickup time, navigation, and then the contact is Sherwin-Williams Paint. So you're going to be delivering arguably 12 things of paint, or paint plus supplies, 100 plus pounds. Now, if I scroll down from this screen, giving me info on the pickup, it just reiterates 12 parcels. There's the weight, any customer notes, any valid vehicle type. So here is actually good news. But if you have a larger vehicle, I would not advise to do small deliveries. You need to take advantage of that larger vehicle and do an actual delivery route. Get the routes on Dispatch. You can use Veho. You can use the moving platforms, Bellhop, Dolly. The GoShare, by the way, also advertises more pay if you have these larger vehicles. Now, it does say there's a weight bonus, so maybe there's some extra pay here. So on the delivery screen, we have, again, the order number, the delivery address here, the drop-off window, continuing the contact or company name here, any customer notes, Basically, similar things reiterated here with the vehicle type. And then it does say the weight bonus. And here's the pay breakdown. Is there more pay for the weight bonus? Now, it does say base fare, $33.66 for 25.5 miles. Now, there's the actual weight bonus. Now, Instacart has heavy item bonuses. I think Spark, there's other platforms that have heavy item pay. $4.
Man, I really want to test dispatch, but not like this. $37, 25.5 miles? I mean, it's $1.48 a mile. It's not that great. And it's pretty far.
So now, closing out of the offer screen, I can see it on my main home screen, now under available. There's the summary. And I really want to test dispatch. This is my first offer ever, but it doesn't mean I have to accept it. So I'm sitting here looking at this, still wondering if it's first come, first serve. I think so. And I'm just hovering over the accept button. I want to take it. But pause. I would not take it if the pay doesn't make sense. So yeah, you better believe it. I declined that offer. It doesn't make sense. It's super early. The pay's not good enough. Yes, it cash flows a little bit. $37 like a catering offer. It's heavy. It's far away. A couple of hours later, they even threw some bonus pay at it. I'm not writing off dispatch. I would still say have as many gig economy platforms as possible, because like other platforms, like catering, any routed long distance delivery, even some shopping, you're getting requests ahead of time. Like you can fill in your week if the offer makes sense. I'm still going to try, and I will test an end-to-end delivery on dispatch. And actually, an hour before filming this video, they sent me another one. It is $22.77 for 23.4 miles. Still not worth it. Now, this one has a lot of flexibility. You can pick it up basically anytime you want. Well, on the 8th. So actually, this would be for in a couple of days from now. 22 for 23 miles. That does not make sense profitability wise. If you want a cash flow and you don't care about that profitability, you could take it. It is really flexible. You can pick it up anytime, which is nice. I haven't seen that from really any other gig app. I can pick it up from anytime from 6 a.m. until 7:13 p.m. The only platform I've seen that has kind of a delivery, an open delivery window is Poplin, the laundry washing side hustle. You can pick it up at any time of day before 8 p.m., which is fantastic. Now, like Roadie, I do like that they show you exactly what you're picking up. Now, the paint one, it didn't list like the actual paint cans per se, but this one says 4 3/8 inch by 1/4 inch OD compression, brass reducing coupling fittings with the size, dimensions, etc., just like Roadie. And it's a Home Depot pickup, which I know a lot of us love, right? But at least it's not like a huge item. So as I'm checking right now on Dispatch, I don't see any other offers. They actually did increase this offer, so there you go. Like Amazon Flex, and I think Instacart, and really most gig platforms actually, if an offer goes unclaimed, the gig app will slowly increase the pay. So that's what I'm seeing here. This one's now increased to $24.19, and it is in fact the same offer. But still, for that pay, for that miles, no. But subscribe, like this video, because there will be a dispatch, and stay tuned. I got other firsts on different gig platforms. What's my first on dispatch gonna look like?